Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Thumbtack profiles and export lead history, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from your Thumbtack profile, start by logging into your Thumbtack account. Navigate to your profile settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down to find the Manage Your Account section. Click on Deactivate Your Account. This will bring up an option to confirm your decision. Follow the prompts to complete the deactivation process. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your account status. Next, to export your lead history, return to your Thumbtack account dashboard. Locate the Leads section on the left sidebar. Click on Leads to view your lead history. You will see a list of all your past leads. To export this data, look for an Export button, usually located at the top right of the Leads page. Click on the Export button to download your lead history. Your lead history will typically be saved as a CSV file. Check your Downloads folder for the newly downloaded file. Open the file using spreadsheet software to view your lead history. This will give you detailed insights into your past leads. Remember that deactivating your account will stop any future leads from coming through. You can reactivate your account at any time by logging back in. Be sure to keep a copy of your lead history before withdrawing. Now you have successfully withdrawn from Thumbtack and exported your lead history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.